Hi again, we're going to differentiate y equals 3 to the power of x squared times 5 to the power of x squared. Few things we must know. We should know the rule for taking the derivative of y equals a to the f of x, where a is basically a number. So if you're doing that, then it's y prime will be a to the f of x, so you just rewrite this again, and then you do f prime of x, so you take the derivative of this, and after that you just multiply by ln the base, so ln a. So let's take this here. Now this one here, what's happening is the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite this as y equals 3 times 5 to the power of x squared. Since the exponents are the same, we could do that, and that would become 15 to the power of x squared. Now we're going to start doing the derivative now. Y prime equals, so again we write a to the power of f of x, we're just going to write that again, 15 to the power of x squared, times, we're going to do the derivative of the f of x, which is going to be 2x, and then we're going to multiply that all by ln of the base, 15, and then if we want to rewrite this, we're just going to write it maybe as 2x ln 15, and then 15 to the power of x squared, and maybe we should put that in brackets. And that's it. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.